Hey everybody, Ron Bessie here. Hey, today's project I'm going to swap out the taillights on the Jeep Unlimited. Let's swap out the factory lights with these Spyder LED lights. You got the sequential flash to these things. This one here's got the red lens. They also come in a clear lens, and they also come in a smoke lens. Super easy to change out, so it's just, undo the one plug and you got two screws, and as simple as that, and then just swap it in. So anyway, that's our project for today. Show it. Okay, all you got is just two screws. Just got this one and that one. That's all there is. The other two are actually part of the light assembly, so they just take those two out and the whole thing pops off, and it's just got one of those quick release things you press with your thumb and then just pull it apart real quick. Just pops apart. About the fastest thing on here to change out. So all right, let's see how fast we can slap the new one on there. Okay, that's the plug. And the bezel's got a gloss finish on it, so that's kind of interesting. Alright, see what it looks like. Cool. So I'll try it again at nighttime, because I've also got the running board lights that are sequential too, so I can see if it all kind of goes and works together. And I'll show more once it gets dark, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, here's a shot. Got them on. Let's see. Yeah, they went on super quick. They fit nice too. There's no gaps or anything. That's what I was worried about too, is sometimes you get them, anything aftermarket, you got to check the fit. Finish looks good. Looks like it made really, really well. I don't know if you can see that or not. Cool. Can't wait for it to get dark. Check these dudes out. I'll try flashers, see what that looks like. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna drive around like that. That's cool. So alright, here we are. Once it finally got dark outside. So that's what it looks like from behind. And that's what those running board LEDs. Turn the blinker on and see what we get. There's a sequential there. Let's see if that matches up to that. Yeah, they're a lot brighter than the factory incandescent bulbs that are on there. Quick walk around. Try the flashers on this. Well, anyway, that's what they look like, and hopefully this helps somebody if they're interested in changing out to either these or some other LEDs. Thanks for watching, everybody.